We all likely know someone with a surgical implant, metal screws, pins, plates and rods, an artificial knee, hip, or a pacemaker. But what most of us don't know is that these implants are one of the highest costs associated with healthcare today and present significant challenges for the industry. And that's why the healthcare industry needs effective, affordable, and high-quality solutions specifically addressing surgical implants. And that's where our next guest comes in. Dr. Prakash Patel is CEO of Access MediQuip, and he joins us now. Dr. Patel, thank you for joining us today.
It's a pleasure to be here. Thank you for having me.
Dr. Patel, give us some background on Access MediQuip. What is your company's mission?
Access MediQuip is the largest and most experienced provider of surgical implant management solutions in the country. We provide health plans, surgical facilities, and physicians with services and solutions that allow them to better manage and control the high cost of implants while at the same time improving safety and quality of care provided to their patients. Our mission, frankly, is to enable patients to obtain the right implant at the right time, at the right price, and it is in order to ensure that the right implant reduces the patient's pain and increases their mobility so they can return as quickly as possible to those activities that sustain and fulfill their lives.
And what challenges are your partners facing concerning surgical implants?
Our partners, which include health plans, surgical facilities, and physicians, face numerous challenges relating to surgical implants on a daily basis. In fact, more than 40% of all surgeries performed today involve an implant of some kind, and up to 70% of the total cost of a particular surgery is attributable to implants, and that figure is expected to continue to rise. One of the last high-cost, unmanaged frontiers of healthcare is the management of surgical implants. This makes it difficult for health plans, facilities, and physicians to provide the best care possible at the lowest cost.
So how does Access MediQuip help its partners overcome these challenges?
For our health plan partners, our services provide expert safety and quality measures that help improve member outcomes and at the same time deliver critical data and analytics on what members spend on their surgical procedures, all leading to measurable and meaningful savings. When you look more specifically, our surgical facility and physician partners, we obtain their surgical implants for them. We provide data and analytics, including enhancing safety and outcomes. And finally, we assume the financial administrative responsibility and risk of obtaining reimbursement around these surgical implants, all of which allows the facilities and their physicians to focus on what they do best, providing high-quality care to their patients in a cost-effective manner. We do all of this without creating disruption to health plans, facilities, surgeons, and implant manufacturers. The end result, increased quality care and decreased costs for those surgical procedures.
Dr. Patel, before we go, any additional comments?
I would only leave that we have a growing problem to address in the surgical implant sector in terms of both cost and quality, and we are well positioned to address the full needs involving these very important segments of healthcare.
Dr. Patel, thanks so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
To find out more about Access MediQuip, please visit their website at www.accessmediquip.com.